A present, a present!
Hold on, Cuquin. Here.
A present! Yay!
One, two, three. How fun! Which one do you want?
All of them! All of them!
No, Cuquin. You can only choose one.
One!
Hold on, Cuquin.
One little elephant was happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when he found that it still resisted, he went and called another little elephant.
Please choose me.
Blue egg. A donkey.
My dear donkey, he now has a big head. They can balance him, prescribed him an old-fashioned large bonnet. An old-fashioned large bonnet, donkey's not feeling well.
More! Three.
Here, come get me. Hee hee, chase me. Too slow. Here, come get me.
Don't know how to farm. E-I-E-I-O. On this farm he has some cows. E-I-E-I-O. He's a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there.
Great!
Oh!
Hello, Cuquin. Come and play with us.
Huh? Huh? Balloons? There, Cuquin. Balloons! No, not purple. Blue! No, not yellow. Blue! Yes, blue! Oh.
Let's all blow the balloons.
Blue balloon!
Green balloon.
Red balloon!
Yeah! Oh.
Green!
Red balloon.
Green balloon!
Blue balloon.
Hey!
Huh? Ugh. Red balloon. Woo! Oh? Red balloon, huh?
Green balloon!
Blue balloon.
Don't worry, Cuquin. You don't have to blow it too much. Just blow it well.
Ah.